Think your space is too small for a spring makeover? Think again. Even the tiniest spaces can feel fresh, bright, and full of spring energy with the right decor tricks. Whether you're living in a cozy apartment, a compact studio, or just want to refresh a corner of your home, today I'm sharing genius DIY decor ideas that will completely transform your space. From budget-friendly DIY projects to smart styling tricks, I'll show you exactly how to bring in spring vibes without cluttering your space. And the best part? These ideas are easy, affordable, and customizable to fit your personal style. Stick around till the end, where I'll share pro tips on keeping your space organized while making it look fresh and stylish for the season. Let's jump in and bring spring to your home, no matter the size. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your space, but when you're working with limited square footage, decorating can feel like a challenge. The good news? You don't need a big space to make a big impact. A well-thought-out DIY spring decor update can completely transform the look and feel of your home. Whether it's a tiny apartment, a small bedroom, or even just a cozy nook that needs a seasonal refresh. The key is to focus on light, airy elements, and smart design choices that help maximize space while bringing in that fresh spring energy. By choosing the right colors, textures, and decor pieces, you can make a small space feel bigger, brighter, and more inviting. For example, a soft pastel color palette, floral prints, and lightweight fabrics instantly add a fresh, cheerful vibe. Thoughtful placement of plants, mirrors, and multifunctional decor can create the illusion of more space while keeping the area clutter-free. In this video, we'll walk through simple yet high-impact DIY projects that will help you bring spring into your home without overwhelming your space. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or love vibrant seasonal decor, these ideas can be adapted to fit any aesthetic. Now that we've set the stage, let's talk about the essential elements you need for a successful spring makeover in a small space. When decorating a small space for spring, every choice matters. The key is to select elements that maximize brightness, add freshness, and create an open, airy feel without making the space feel cluttered. One of the most important aspects of a spring makeover is color. Soft pastels, warm neutrals, and fresh greens can instantly brighten a room and make it feel more inviting. Lighter shades like blush pink, sage green, and sky blue reflect more light, helping to create the illusion of a larger, more open space. Next, natural textures play a huge role in bringing a spring-like organic feel into your home. Think woven baskets, linen fabrics, wooden accents, and ceramic vases. These materials not only add depth and warmth, but also help maintain a light, breezy aesthetic that's perfect for spring. Since space is limited, it's crucial to maximize vertical space and opt for multifunctional furniture. Floating shelves, wall-mounted planters, and stackable storage bins can help keep your decor organized while adding a stylish touch. Dual-purpose furniture, like a storage ottoman or a foldable desk, ensures that your space remains both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Now that we have the foundation set, let's move on to a step-by-step DIY project that will bring these elements to life. DIY project walkthrough. Now that we have our color palette, textures, and space-saving strategies in place, let's dive into a simple yet stunning DIY project that will instantly add a fresh spring vibe to your small space. A floating shelf with seasonal decor is a perfect way to bring a touch of spring without taking up valuable floor space. Whether you're decorating a bedroom, entryway, or living area, this project is easy, affordable, and completely customizable. To start, you'll need a floating wooden shelf, which can be store-bought or repurposed from an old one. mount the shelf in a space that needs a refresh, above a desk, near your bed, or in an empty wall nook. Next, add small glass vases or mason jars filled with fresh or faux flowers like lavender, tulips, or eucalyptus. This will bring in vibrant spring colors and a natural touch. Layering in mini woven baskets or ceramic planters will introduce texture and warmth, keeping the display visually interesting while maintaining a light and airy feel. To personalize your space, place a framed, spring-themed print or DIY artwork as the centerpiece of your display. You can create a watercolor floral illustration, a handwritten quote, or even a vintage-inspired botanical print. Finally, to add warmth and ambiance, wrap LED string lights or fairy lights around the decor. This small detail will make your space feel cozy yet fresh, perfect for spring evenings. One of the best things about this DIY project is its flexibility. If you prefer a boho-inspired look, consider adding macrame wall hangings or rattan accents. For a minimalist aesthetic, stick to neutral tones and simple geometric decor. If you love a pop of color, use bright colored vases or pastel painted frames to bring energy into the space. This DIY floating shelf is a simple way to elevate your small space with seasonal charm, functionality, and style. Now that we have our decor piece ready, let's talk about how to style and arrange it for maximum impact. Now that your DIY floating shelf is ready, it's time to style and arrange it in a way that enhances your small space without making it feel cluttered. The key to decorating a small space is balance, ensuring that every piece serves a purpose while maintaining an open and airy feel. Start by placing your focal point at the center of the shelf, such as a framed artwork or a statement decor piece. This creates a natural visual anchor. Around it, arrange smaller items like vases, planters, and woven baskets in a way that feels cohesive yet effortless. To keep things balanced, vary the heights and textures of your decor. Mixing taller vases with shorter decorative pieces adds depth and prevents the space from feeling flat. Symmetry and color balance play a big role in making a small space feel well designed. If your shelf has a mix of soft pastels and neutral tones, make sure those colors are evenly distributed to create a harmonious look. Adding mirrors or reflective surfaces nearby can further enhance the light and openness of the space. For those working with extremely limited space, consider multifunctional decor pieces. For example, a small storage basket on the shelf can serve as both a decorative element and a practical place to store small essentials. Wall-mounted hooks beneath the shelf can also provide extra function without taking up floor space. The final touch is to make sure your spring decor blends seamlessly with the rest of your home. If your space leans toward a modern aesthetic, go for sleek and minimalist pieces. For a cozy, rustic vibe, introduce a few wooden accents or vintage-style floral prints. The goal is to enhance your space with seasonal charm while keeping it clutter-free and inviting. Now that your space is beautifully styled, let's wrap things up with a few final thoughts and a call to action. Decorating for spring doesn't have to be overwhelming. Even in small spaces, a few thoughtful DIY touches can completely transform the look and feel of your home. By incorporating light colors, natural textures, and space-saving decor pieces, you can create an inviting, fresh atmosphere without adding clutter. A simple floating shelf with seasonal accents is just one example of how you can maximize space while still embracing spring's vibrant energy. The best part about DIY decor is that it allows for creativity and personalization. Whether you prefer a minimalist, boho, or colorful aesthetic, these ideas can be easily adapted to fit your style. Plus, small decor changes like swapping in floral prints, adding woven accents, or introducing greenery can make a huge impact without requiring a complete room makeover. Now it's your turn. Which DIY spring decor idea are you excited to try in your space? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your creative ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more interior design and DIY inspiration. Like this video to help more people discover budget-friendly decor ideas. Comment below with your favorite spring decor tip or project idea. Turn on post notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching The Design Lounge. See you in the next video.